At the very outset, I congratulate the Department of Bioanalytical Science for organizing International Yoga Day in a very innovative manner and also extend my thanks for involving me in this encouraging activity. I really wonder that in these days of ultra modern age, we the world are observing Yoga Day. Yoga, which was propounded 3000 years ago. Unbelievable, but true. Thoughts and theories of yoga can be traced back to the Vedic literature, especially Upanishads. The thoughts then scattered were compiled, modified, and systematized by great sage Patanjali in the form of Ashtanga Yoga in his monumental composition Yoga Sutra. What does the word yoga mean? The word yoga is derived from the root yuja, which means to unite. It is a union of Atman with Paramatman through consistent and rigorous practice of Ashtanga Yoga. How to understand this concept of union in this modern world? It is harmonizing thoughts with emotions and both these with actions. So, proficiency in performing action perfectly, wholeheartedly, and thoughtfully is yoga. Yoga karmasu kaushalam. To say in simple words, it is harmony of head, heart, and hands. It is connecting oneself with our own inner world and with the world outside at large.
Patanjali Rishi's Yoga Sutras are compilation of 196 Sanskrit verses describing Ashta Anga, means 8 limbs of yoga. 8 limbs of yoga include Yama, Niyama, Asana, Pranayam, Pratyahara, Dharana, Dhyana, and Samadhi. The most commonly followed practices of yoga include Pranayam and Asana.
Pranayam comprises of breathing exercises that control the flow of breath. Breathing is at the center of life as it imbibes your body with pran or the vital energy. Did you have a stressful day at work? Try Anulom Vilom. It's the perfect stress buster. Using the thumb of your left hand, slightly press the left nostril and fold the first finger completely. Take a deep breath in through the right nostril. Press the right nostril using the second and third fingers. Exhale the air through the left nostril. Repeat the cycle for 5 minutes. Bhramari Pranayam is named after an Indian black bee as it involves making a bee-like humming sound while exhaling. The vibrations of the humming sound have a natural calming effect on your nerves. Kapal means forehead and Bhati denotes shining. So, according to yoga, Kapal Bhati is something that ensures a shining forehead, that is, a sign of a healthy and bright mind.
Asan is a specific posture in yoga. There are 84 classic types of asanas. While some asanas are simple, some are quite challenging to perform. Hence, beginners in yoga are advised to undergo thorough training and caution before practicing difficult asanas.
Surya Namaskar is a gracefully synchronized series of 12 yoga postures. There are 12 mantras saluting the sun that are chanted before each posture. The best time to perform Surya Namaskar is early morning with an empty stomach. Surya Namaskar is a simple full body workout, especially for beginners in yoga. It improves overall fitness, stamina, and muscle flexibility. Calories burned in a 10-minute routine of Surya Namaskar are comparable to rigorous exercises such as running, cycling, and swimming. Back pain is one of the most common health problems arising due to a sedentary lifestyle. Asanas such as Dhanurasana and Chakrasana improve strength and flexibility of the spinal cord. Chakrasana or the wheel pose is an intermediate or advanced back end pose. Apart from strengthening back muscles, it can also help in increasing lung capacity and improving hip flexibility. Asanas can also help you reduce stomach fat and solve indigestion problems. In Naukasana, the body weight is centered on the abdominal muscles, which improve secretion of intra-abdominal tissues such as stomach, liver, spleen, pancreas, and intestine. Shirshasana is called as the king of all asanas. Also, it is the most challenging asana to perform. Shirshasana increases blood flow to the brain, thereby improving the function of pituitary and pineal glands.
As yoga expert Dr. Ulka Nathu Gadam says, it is simple giving and loving, non-judgmental, value-added way of conduct. It is thus a lifelong activity and not an activity to be performed in a day, in a week, or in a year once. Such a lifestyle certainly creates positive attitude and peaceful mind, which is conducive for healthy body, sound mind, and sharp and alert intellect. My Guru, Yogacharya Vyavahare, used to say, Yoga is the acceptance, the adaptability, and accommodation to the circumstances which ultimately transforms one in yogic personality. I feel that's the essence of yogic thought and practice. Happy International Yoga Day. Thank you.